Good morning. I wanted to show you guys smoothie bowls. I posted one yesterday and they're so easy and they're so good. So I use like 8 ounces of liquid, but not really, because look at all those ice cubes. So I think there's probably like 6 ice cubes in there, and then I fill it up to like the 8-ounce mark. There's probably like 4 to 6 ounces of water in here. I have 1 scoop of chocolate isoline, and then I have half a packet of dairy-free vanilla chai, because this combo is amazing. So I'm just gonna shake it up, blend it up, and then I have some granola that was on sale at the store. So let me blend. Okay, I know that's annoying, but I want you guys to be able to see like how much water I have. So the chocolate makes it super like a frosty. Are you ready for this? So you could top it with, you could chop up half of an isoline bar, like a lemon would be really good in the vanilla shake. You could do the chocolate decadence. You could take a dairy-free bar and chop it up. You could do the slim cakes, chop it up, put some fruit on top. I have no fruit in my house right now, but look at that. It's like super creamy. I probably could have blended it a little bit more because it's kind of icy, but I'm so excited for this. So sometimes I want to eat my shake, and then see if I can turn this around. Let me open my granola first. So I got this granola on sale and I was like, ooh, this is going down. So look at how good that looks. It's super thick, super creamy. I'm just gonna take some granola. And here's the thing. I love it when it's so thick that the granola doesn't sink in there, because then you know it's gonna be good. Here's the thing. Make yourself a really thick, amazing shake. But if you're in weight loss mode, you gotta account for the calories in the granola. So half a cup, 52 grams, is about 240 calories. So what else is 240 calories? A bar. But account for your calories in the fruit that you're adding, in the granola that you're adding, whatever you're adding to your smoothie bowl, because you're eating it. So happy smoothie bowls, friends. This is actually in a coffee cup. I like it because then I can hold it. But look, I'm so excited. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go eat this.